Hello, folks. Hello. My name is Benjamin Z. Meller. And in this video, I am going to answer the question, how can I make 2,000 pounds a month in passive income? So someone has a goal, 2,000 pounds a month. They've got a first goal. They want to get there. Well, I am happy to answer that question. It's actually quite easy. Earning a consistent passive income of 2,000 pounds a month is a financial goal that many people aspire to. While bonds can be a part of your investment strategy, it's important to approach them with a clear understanding of the risks and rewards involved. So, first of all, the answer is just buy bonds. That's the easiest way to get to 2,000 pounds a month in income, passive income. I'm not doing one of those videos where you create a job, you create some online thing, and then that's working. That's not passive income. You could just as well get a job, earn passive income, and then buy bonds. But my point is, bonds are the answer. So understanding bonds. Bonds are debt securities where you lend money to an entity. That could be a corporation, it could be a government, in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal at the bond's maturity. So what are the benefits of bonds? Well, you get stability. Bonds are generally considered lower risk compared to stocks because they offer a predictable stream of income. Diversification, including bonds in your portfolio, it helps spread risk, especially if you have a mix of assets. There was a Nobel Prize winning economist in Markowitz, and he actually won the 1990 Nobel Prize for his work on efficient market theory. But when it came to his own portfolio, he kept half in stocks and half in bonds. And if you don't have any bonds in your portfolio, you should be thinking, why not? So they also provide regular income. Public bonds versus private bonds. Now, this is the million pound question, and it seems to catch everyone up because they are like sheep where they run out. Oh, I better buy a public bond. They are addicted to that liquidity. That is the most important thing in their life, is being able to do that. And if you're in that situation, it's okay. I understand if you want to take the lower returns, and the paltry, meager returns that you get on your public company bonds, it's fine. I don't have any problem with it. But if you're the type of person that likes to think, maybe you're a little bit more independent, you should explore private bonds of privately held companies, not public debt. So publicly traded bonds are sometimes issued by governments. Those are called government bonds, or corporations, corporate bonds. They are widely available and relatively safe, but you pay a bitter price for that security. You are going to be shackled with low returns. They typically offer far, far lower interest rates, and many more experienced investors simply prefer private bonds. Private bonds, they're held from non-public companies, and they offer higher returns typically, far, far higher returns. But they come with some increased risk, of course. They're not as liquid. The bonds are not normally available to investors. If you log into your online trading account, you're not going to find any privately held bonds there that you can purchase. You have to network with people, and you have to find people that have companies, and you have to work a deal out to buy to make them a loan, a corporate loan. I do have some free information though, and you're going to love this. You can get it completely for free. Just email me, ben@benjaminzmeller.com. I've prepared a guide for you, ben@benjaminzmeller.com. Just email me, I'll get you the free guide and be happy to provide some more information. You need to also understand your risk assessment. If you're the type of person that's very timid and fearful all the time that something's going to go wrong, and you panic every time the market does something, you may benefit actually from privately held bonds where you're not subjected to watching their value whipsaw up and down based on what the Fed does with interest rates. Diversified, or the Bank of England, the Bank of England, the diversified portfolio, getting to that 2,000 pound a month passive income from bonds, especially privately held ones, It may require getting on an annual investment program. The good news is we have an annual investment program that you can get some free information on. Just email me, ben@benjaminzmiller.com, and I'll be happy to provide that information. Another thing that you also may want to consider is getting some more education in investing. We have a free networking group where you can meet other investors from around the world, the Benjamin Z. Miller Investor Networking Group. We've got investors from all over. We've got investors from Ukraine, from Sweden, from Norway, from Germany, from the United States, Canada, you name a country, we probably have investors from there. And a lot of the people at my group are the better investors. We've got some big name investors as well. So please just send me an email, ben@benjaminzmiller.com, and I'll get you some free information and we'll get you started. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.